The Hygraph connector for Smartling enables Hygraph users to submit content for translation directly from Hygraph. Once your content is created, simply navigate to the Apps view, Smartling. This enables you to see the relevant content you wish to submit. Simply select the model and then the content you wish to send for translation. We can see the current status, whether it has been submitted for translation before. Simply select the relevant components and submit for translation. We can create each request with its own job name. Also being able to select and add to existing jobs. All languages that are available for request will be displayed. You can simply uncheck any irrelevant languages. We just then submit the content. The content then has been successfully submitted for translation. Navigating to Smartling, we can now see that that job has been created within Smartling with all of the relevant content. We can see that the job right now is not authorized. And we can also see that we've got no visual context with this content. So from within Smartling, we can then authorize the job, which would submit it for translation, approving it for the relevant translation workflow. We can also add translation context. Translation context will give information and a visual display of how that content will be presented to the linguist as they are translating the content. To add context, Smartling offers multiple ways of adding context to translation jobs. Now when the linguist goes to translate that content, they're going to be able to see how that content would be displayed within the output. As we can see, we can understand exactly how translations are going to be laid out within the page, and we can go through and apply our translations. Once the translations are complete, the linguist can simply submit this content. This will update the job and complete the translation request. Once the translation request has been completed within Smartling, this will automatically update the Hygraph request and pass the content back into Hygraph. In Hygraph, content will be shown as in progress while it's going through the translation process. We can now see that that content has been done and has updated Hygraph with the relevant languages. Navigating back to Hygraph, we can now see the content is updated with the relevant translations. If we make any updates, we can simply request the content to be retranslated. Or if we just want to update the translations, we can simply update the translations in Smartling. Those will then be passed back directly into Hygraph. Thank you.